Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome back to Crochet Mart. Very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, come closer to me because today I brought very special crochet hanging bags for you. It's very essential in these days. Everyone have very specific space to live and for things. So we are here to provide you the good and better crochet ideas how you can save your space by hanging bags. You can have great ideas by plants and other things also which we are going to show today. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find our all new videos about crochet. Here are some benefits of crochet hanging bags.
Oh my god.
First of all, decorative. Add a touch of handmade charm to your home decor. Functional. Use them to store small items like keys, mail or plants. Space saving. It's the main thing which we collected specially for you. Space saving. Hanging them from the ceiling or a hook to maximize vertical space. Easy to clean. Crochet hanging baskets are often easy to dust and clean. Customizable. Make them in various sizes, colors and patterns to suit your styles. Portable. That's what I'm always telling, that we have many things should be as portable.
Oh my god.
Hang them in different rooms or take them with you when you move. Mean you never think that you have fixed one thing in one room and it always will be there. No, never. You can move it very easily. Where you want to go, you can take it with you. Sustainable. Use eco-friendly yarns and propose old memories. Yes, it's very sustainable also. Crocheting hanging baskets can be a calming and meditative activity. Gift ideas. Everyone have many friends. May you have 100 friends. So if you want to make a very special gift, thank you for watching. Bye bye.